Matcha intense grassy. Nothing like Chinese tea. China eliminated this method. Japan elevated it. Monk Eisai brought seeds. And a new ritual, 12 of 14. Shogun Sanetomo. Wicked hangover. Eisai offered tea. Medicine in a bowl. The first tea manual. Health tonic for warriors. Not quiet gatherings. Extravagant power displays. Karamono worship. Chinese treasures define status. Own Tenmoku or be nobody. Simple rule. Tea competitions. Guess the provenance. Show your knowledge. Rare resources. Flawless connoisseurship. Status confirmed. Karamono were non-renewable. Whoever controlled them ruled elegance. Then war came. Social order collapsed. 3 men transformed tea forever. 3-foot square entrance. Remove your sword. Outside warlord. Inside student. Samurai paid protection. Tea master gave legitimacy from Amida do corridor. To celebrate a tea kettle. Perfection rejected. Imperfection embraced. Hand-shaped. No wheel. Beauty in imperfection. Money can't buy this. Only cultivation can. Nouveau riche excluded. Generational taste required. The Meikiki's eye. Cultivation over wealth. Tea at the front lines. Life and broth together. High-risk position. One mistake. Death. Honnoji eve. Tea utensils as power performance. Tea bowl like helmet. Essential for daimyo. Victory prize. Famed implements. Warrior's credential. Way of tea part Sengoku MBA. Identity. Oji matcha. Orthodox. Controlled absolutely. Finest plots. Shogunate only. Or daimyo rewards. Shading. Secret technique. Theanine builds. Umami born. Steaming. Stopping oxidation. Family secrets. Vein removal. Only pure leaf remains. Stone grinding. Slow. 40 grams per hour. Chakan folding. Every gesture codified. Learn or fail. Rotate twice. Or thrice. Rules absolute. Learning cost high. Leisure time required. Class barrier. Zen and tea. Spiritual practice in a bowl. Ichigo ichi. One encounter. One moment sanctified. Severed from common tea forever. Meiji. West arrives. Matcha dismissed as feudal. Sencha challenged. Matcha nearly forgotten. Schools preserved it. Women's refinement. Survival. 21st century. China disrupts. Industrialization arrives. 6.8 million RMB. Secret sealed tight. Independent R&D. Replicated. Improved. Jiangkou County. World's largest. 1,200 tons. 2024. China's first. Prestige product versus mass scale. Different logic. 2025. Japanese harvest down. Yen weak. Prices explode. Marukyu koyama 50 to 60%. Some products, 382%. Unbelievable. Guizhou matcha exports. Selling back to Japan. Stone mill. 40 grams. Flavor nuance. Ball milling. Jet milling. Efficiency. Scale. Scarcity versus supply. 2 economic worlds. Centuries. Samurai. Court. Ritualized. Inconvenient. Time-consuming. Power dressed as culture. Tea room left behind. Into Starbucks. Ice cream. Class barriers. Eroded by capital currents. Second disenchantment. Aristocracy to ritual to mass. Yet ceremonial grade. Still premium. Still exclusive. Machines make powder. They can't replicate spirit. Drinking tea. Consuming centuries of distinction. One bowl. All of history reflected. The class tea secret revealed. 1214. Medicine became privilege. Muromachi. Chinese treasures defined status. Sengoku. Imperfection became power. Ui. Exclusive. Controlled. 2024. Industrialization shattered barriers. Writing Matcha's story. 1,000 years. Inconvenience by design. Class by effort. One bowl. A millennium of human striving. Medicine. Luxury. Identity. Scarcity or abundance. Tea chooses both. Metamorphosis of a single leaf. to the tea that divided us and united us. One bowl, infinite meaning. The historian becomes history. The tea remains. From one grain to everything, the story pauses. The tea endures, waiting for tomorrow's drinker. The history of matcha, written by power, read by all.